Let's make Maryland-style crab mac and cheese. First, let's melt some butter. This is when we begin to make our roux. I have already added some minced garlic. Now some flour, a little more. Stir and cook, but don't let it burn. Now some heavy cream. Followed by a package of cream cheese. Follow that up with some sharp cheddar. A splash of hot sauce. And, of course, Maryland Old Bay seasoning. Add in half a pound of crab meat and save the rest. Incorporate and remove from the heat. Cook and drain your pasta. Combine pasta and sauce. Add more sharp cheddar for body. Transfer to an oiled casserole dish. Chop some fresh parsley. And some fresh scallions. Mix with the rest of the crab meat. Top your mac with crab and herb blend. Some more sharp cheddar. And some blended cheese. A sprinkle of crab spice. Pop it in oven set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until golden brown. And there you have it. Maryland-style crab mac and cheese. Thanks for watching. Have a seasoned life.